Hello everyone, my name is Jebin George and today I'm going to be speaking on the topic bills of exchange. Bills of exchange. A bill of exchange, or else known as the draft, is a written order by the drawer to the drawee to pay money to the payee. It can be defined as an instrument in writing containing an unconditional order signed by the maker directing a certain person to pay a certain sum of money only to another certain person or the bearer of the instrument. The needs for bills of exchange. A bill of exchange can be used to clear terms and conditions. It can be used as a negotiable instrument. It can be used as evidence of debt, credit period. It facilitates the discounting of bills and a source of finance. Parties to bills of exchange. There are generally three parties to a bill of exchange, that is, the drawer, drawee, and payee. But if the bills are endowed, then the number of parties may increase. They are the drawer, drawee, payee, and the endorser and endorsee. Contents of bills of exchange. Bills of exchange contain the date, term, or else known as tenure, amount, stamp, name of parties, and the for value received. Here is a specimen copy or example of a bill of exchange. As we can see, there is the date, term or tenure, amount, stamp, name of the parties, and for value received. The difference between check and bill of exchange. Drawee. A check is always on a banker, whereas a bill can be drawn on any person, including a banker. Acceptance. A check does not require acceptance of the drawee, whereas a bill must be accepted by the drawee. Payment. A check is always payable on demand, whereas a bill of exchange is payable on demand or after the expiry period of a fixed period. Stamp. A check does not require any stamp, whereas a bill must be properly stamped. Crossing. A check can be crossed, whereas a bill cannot be crossed. Features of bill of exchange. A bill of exchange must be written. It must contain an order and not a request to make payment. The order of payment must be unconditional. The order must be directed to a certain person. The order must be for the payment of the money only. The amount to be paid must be certain. It must be signed by the maker, that is the drawer of bill. It must be accepted by the drawee by signing on it. The amount specified in the bill is payable either to a certain person or to his order or to the bearer of the bill. It must bear a required revenue stamp. That's all. Thanks for listening.